Hi there. So here's a quick video on how to create this trend lines with this dotted point in Tableau. So let's get started. So what you do is to come in here and create the sheet you want. So for example, I have my order date and I'm going to make it month granularity. So I'm going to split it once and remove all these ones and leave as month. And I'm going to bring in my metrics. First of all, I'll bring in profits, which is a continuous variable. I'll bring in quantity and I'll bring in sales. But this is making a bit complicated because I just want to show us first with the first a single metric. Now I have this trend line and I want to give this points. Usually you may want to come in here and say you want to have this selected or this, but it gives you pattern rather than the points. So all you need to do is to drag in profit again into the filter pane, into the rules pane, beg your pardon. So put it in here and you have your dual axis selected on the second one, so you have dual axis, but make sure you go to the second axis and convert it into circle, and you have your point there. You can decide to reduce the size of the circle and you have it highlighted. Then you can hide this by unticking the show header option. So for you to create it for multiple measures, all you simply need to do is to, let's just remove this. For example, if you have the profits and you want to have quantity as well in the pane and you want to have sales as well in the pane, but how do you now bring that combination in there? So all you simply need to do is first of all combine the metrics into a single axis, which I have here, and I have the other one as well. So I have them in the singular axis. So click on the measure values and duplicate it by holding down your command key on Mac or control key in on Windows, and you drag and drop, so it duplicates it for you in the chart. So all you need to do is use the dual axis now, and you have this combined, and go to the pane, Mac pane, and click on the second measure value and convert it to circle, and you have your balls it the point on the trend lines. You can synchronize it so that it's more appropriate. You can see that it's well synchronized now, and you can also decide to reduce the sizes of them.